I'm going to point to a box, and I want you guys to tell me whether that, I'm going to point to the box, and I'm going to count to 3. I want you guys to tell me whether that box is weather or climate. All right? So this is the first one.
Weather.
So then I'm going to count to 3, and then you tell me. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Weather.
Okay, why? Why is this one weather?
It's only 28 days.
That's only 1 year.
1 year, exactly. So the fact that it's a number of days is less important than the fact that it was 1 year. Because another statistic that we could say is between the year 2000 and 2012, DC had an average of 28 days over 95 degrees. So the fact that it's days is less important than the fact that it's over only 1 year. This one, 1, 2, 3.
Climate.
Excellent. Why?
Because
Usually.
Yep. Good. This one, 1, 2, 3.
Climate.
Why?
From 81 to 2010.
Yeah, way more than 5 years. This one, 1, 2, 3.
Climate.
Why?
Usually.
But usually. This one, 1, 2, 3.
Weather.
Why?
It's only 1
It's only one. What? Sorry.
year.
Yep. It's only 1 year. Can you guys see this marker? This one, 1, 2, 3.
Weather.
Why?
It's only 1 year.
1 year. This one, 1, 2, 3.
Climate.
Why?
Average.
It's an average. This one? 1, 2, 3.
Climate.
Why? You guys are good at playing out this key vocabulary. Love it. And finally, this one. 1, 2, 3.
Weather.
Why?
1 year.
Got 1 here.
Yep.
Very good. So, now we have our information. And so the reason that we care about weather versus climate is because we're looking for evidence of climate change. And a lot of the evidence we see of climate change is based on those changes that are happening to our climate. So when we have changes in weather patterns, that's not evidence of climate change because it's not the climate that's changing. Remember the dog? The dog can go all over. Weather can go all over. We're looking at the steady trend of climate and how that trend is changing. So if we have a change in weather, it doesn't necessarily mean that climate change is happening. We're looking for changes in the trends in climate. So when you get to this column, your job is to decide, is it evidence for climate change? So there's 2 things that I want you to take into consideration when you're making that decision. Did you guys finish?
Yeah, basically.
Okay, cool. Thanks. Welcome back. You okay? Yeah. So there's 2 things I want you to take into consideration. One is that in order for it to be, yes, it is climate change, it has to meet 2 criteria. The first one is that it has to be climate.
So then everything for weather is no.
Right. Yeah, because it's not climate, it's not a long-term change. Our weather patterns are not evidence of climate change. The second thing is that it has to show a change. So if we're talking about a change, if it's climate, then we have to demonstrate a change in the climate in order for it to be evidence. So if we look at the first one, which I don't have projected, hurricanes generally strike the east coast of the U.S. between September and November. Is it climate?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it a change?
No.
Yeah. What's the change?
Oh no.
No.
No, it's just a statement. It's a statement that hurricane season is usually between September and November.
So that's no too.
Right. So what you're going to write in the square here is no, and then write why. No change.
Oh.
Let's look at the second one. Second one is in 2012, DC had 28 days that reached 95 degrees or higher. Is it climate?
No.
No.
No. They're going to say no. It's not climate. So again, work, do as much as you can by yourself and then consult with the people around you.